Biscuit joiners are handy machines that use a 4-inch circle blade to create a curved slot that accepts small, football-shaped pieces of compressed wood, usually beech, to create a stronger joint. The fence and blade depth adjust, allowing the user to set the height and depth of the cut, resulting in precise cuts. Whether gluing veneered panels or enforcing miter joints on a picture frame, the best biscuit joiner can help when making concealed joints. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best biscuit joiners, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best biscuit joiners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. DeWalt DCW 682 20-volt Biscuit Joiner. After putting a range of biscuit joiners through the paces, the DeWalt DCW 682 was the clear winner. This joiner offers cordless convenience, especially ideal for those working at job sites versus in a shop. The tool runs on the DeWalt PowerStack 20-volt battery sold separately, giving you all the amps you need and delivering 5 hours of runtime, which translates to 300 joints or 600 cuts per charge. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to take on DIY projects at home. Some comparable models have fences that struggle to maintain a parallel plane without further fine-tuning, resulting in misaligned joints. While other biscuit joiners can feel top-heavy, this joiner is nicely balanced with the battery acting as a counterweight. The cutting edge height is easy to adjust and the biscuit size dial is very easy to use. The dust collection allows the use of the bag or a vacuum hose. With a slew of biscuit joiners on the market, Listy chose the DeWalt DW682 for her shop. It has been an incredible tool that I have used for years on hundreds of projects. It is strong, powerful and does an excellent job on hardwoods and softwoods alike, she says. Number 2. WEN JN85048 8.5 amp Biscuit Joiner. The hallmark of a great value is excellent performance for a reasonable price, and that's where the WEN Biscuit Joiner comes in. It's one of the heavier biscuit joiners on the list, weighing almost 12 pounds. Regardless, it can handle a wide range of hardwoods, thanks to its powerful 8.5 amp motor, which is suitable for both beginners and professionals. The WEN is easy to handle with its comfortable grip and smooth plunge action. Both depth and locking knobs are on the right side of the fence, which is nice so you don't have to use both hands to make adjustments. Your joiner is also covered by a 2-year warranty. Overall, this is a great value for the weekend hobbyist or for occasional use. Number 3. aoben Biscuit Joiner. The aoben option delivers precise and clean cuts every time with its 4-inch carbide-tipped blade that spins at 10,000 RPMs. The fence adjusts to 90 degrees, and features 3 preset depth levels to get exactly what you need. While the cutting depth is clearly displayed, the depth dial can be nudged out of place. This jointer has an anti-slip handle and includes a dust bag to keep work surfaces clean. Ideal for the beginner, this joiner comes with a wide selection of biscuits to get you started along with a hard, plastic carrying case. The aoben comes with the biscuit joiner, 4-inch tungsten carbide-tipped blade, spanner wrench, dust bag and biscuits. Number 4. Festool Domino Joiner. The Festool Domino Joiner DF500 is renowned for its revolutionary approach to joinery, utilizing patented domino tenons to create joints that are exceptionally strong and versatile. Designed for precision and ease of use, this tool is engineered to meet the demands of high-quality craftsmanship. The Festool DF500 is celebrated for its unmatched precision and reliability. The unique domino system not only speeds up the joinery process but also enhances the strength and stability of the connections, making it ideal for everything from furniture making to architectural millwork. Number 5. Makita XJP03Z Cordless Plate Joiner. As part of Makita's extensive cordless tool lineup, The XJP03Z offers the freedom to work without the constraints of power cords, enhancing mobility and ease of use on job sites. It's powered by Makita's 18 volts LXT lithium-ion battery, known for its long run time and fast recharge, ensuring that projects proceed smoothly without frequent interruptions. The Makita XJP03Z is highly regarded for its performance, with its precision cutting capability ensuring optimal fit for biscuit joints, crucial for the structural integrity of woodworking projects. The cordless feature, combined with the power of the 18 volts LXT battery, allows for efficient and flexible operation without compromising on power or precision. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.